Hello my little stars, hope you all are doing very well. Today we will study subject English here, topic this and that. See page number 61, chapter number 12. Chapter number 10 and 11 is not coming in your half yearly exam as per DM order. We have just less your syllabus, okay? Here chapter number 12, topic is wrong written. You have to just cut it. Write here this and that. Spelling of this, THIS this and THAT that. THIS this and that. THAT that. Okay. So chapter name is wrong in the book. You have just corrected this and that. So use of this and that is given here. Now I will tell you how you can differentiate. Now this is what? It's a pencil. Why this is a pencil? Because this is a pencil. Why it is this? Just because ma'am is holding near to herself. I am holding this pencil near to me. So that one, that's why this one is that. This is a pencil. And now you can see that this flower. Now the flower I am holding here and putting this side. So is that near to me? No. That is far to me. That is a flower. This is a pencil and that is a flower. Because flower is not near to me. If the flower is near to me, so this is a flower and pencil is far to me, so that is a pencil. This is a flower and that is a pencil. When we cross and putting the pencil near to me, so it will be this is a pencil and flower far to me, that is a flower. Okay. Now you can see that this is a comb and this is, and you can see that is a bottle. That is a bottle. This is a comb. Things. So this way, what do you learn? Things which are near to you. Okay. That one will be called. This is like. This is what? This is a ring. Okay. And this is. And what is that? That is a duster. This is a ring near to me. That is a duster. This is a ring. That is a bangle. The bangle is far. This is near to me. This is a ring. That is a bangle. Like that, we can see that is a book. And this is a duster. Duster is with me. That is far to me. For we use this and that for one thing. If there is one flower and near to me, we will say this is a flower. If that one flower far to me, I will say that is a flower. Okay? If two flowers, so क्या हो जाएगा? It will become those. Alright? Here two flowers with me, it will become these. Two things will be these. Okay? But here we are studying that this and that is used with one thing only. Okay? If the thing is one near to you, that will be called this. If one thing far to you, that will be that. Far to you, that will be that. Far to you, that will be that. And near to you, that one thing this. Near to you, one thing this. Near to you, one thing this. Got it? Now, this is a girl standing here now. Girl is saying this is a cat. Why? This cat is near to the girl. And that one is saying, the girl is saying that is a rat. So that rat is far from this girl. It is not near to the girl. Now, this is a bus. This boy is saying this is a bus and that is a truck. Because bus is near to boy and truck is far to boy. This boy is saying this is a house because, this is an apple and that is a tree. The boy is saying this is an apple. That apple is near to the boy. And that one is a tree. That the tree is far from the boy. Now girl is saying this is a house. House is near to the girl. And that is a school. School is far from the girl. So it's not near. So things which are near to that one is called this thing. That far from to you, that one is called that one thing. Okay. Now this is a girl. The girl is saying what? Girl is just looking that a cat is there. So what? What is that? This is a cat. This is a cat. Why it is called this is a cat? One cat and near to the girl. That is why this is a cat. Here, now you see that what? That a rat. So, rat is near to the girl? No. So, that why that is a rat. That one rat is far from this girl. Okay. So, this is a cat. Cat is near to the girl. And that is a rat. That rat is far from girl. So this for near, that for from. That for far. Got it? Now next picture, one more example I'll just show you. That is a boy. This is a now. You can see a boy is here looking that there is a bus. There is a bus. So what is that? Bus near to the boy or far to the boy? Near. बिल्कुल पास. So that is near. So what will be that? This is a bus. But here you can see there is a truck. A truck is standing. Things are loaded there. There is a truck. So what is that? That is a truck. Spelling of truck, T-R-U-C-K, truck. Both are means of transport, right? Here bus is near to boy and that truck is far from boy. This is very near. See the distance? And this is very far. See the distance. So that things which are far, distance, that will be that. And thing which is near, that will be this. Okay? So this is near, so that is why bus is this and the truck is far. That is why that truck is that. Okay? One thing, but should be one thing. This and that. Now here you see that in your book page number 62. Read more about what is that bag. So this is a bag. Things are near and things are far. This is a bag. That is a book. Book is far. Book is very far. And bag near. Oh, okay. So this is a bag. Now this is a pen and that is a pencil. That is a pencil. This is a toy. This is a toy. I am not having, but you are having a toy. This is a toy. That is a boy. Okay. Now this is a chair. I am sitting on a chair. This is a chair. And that is a tree. That tree is far. Now let's match here. This is a box. Yes or no? Yes, matches. That is a cow. This is a table. That is a hut. That match that. Okay. Now make proper sentences. Page number 63 open here. Make proper sentences with this and that. Now near is what? This. Far is what? That. Okay. So when the thing is near to you. Thing is near to you, so that near will be what? That near will be this. THIS, this. If the thing that one is far to you, so that far will be that. FAR, far. Far will be that. THAT, that. But you have to fill this with this and that. Okay? Here you see that. This is a clock. CLOCK. This is a clock. क्या लिखेंगे? First you will fill spelling of clock. CLOCK. This is what? A clock. CLOCK. Clock is what? That here tells the time. Okay? Clock tells us time. So this is a clock. Now that is a snake. Here will be spelling of next snake. 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 Now next picture. This is a tiger. Tiger is near to you. Yes or no? Exercise B we are doing. To number 3. Tiger. Spelling of tiger. 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 Alright. Picture number 4 what? That. That is a shirt. 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 Alright. You have to fill in the blocks. Shirt. So this is a clock. Spelling of clock. CLOCK. Or you may write in small letter CLOCK in different blocks. That is a snake. SNAKE. Next is what? This is a tiger. 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 Next picture, that is a shirt. 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 So this way you have to fill in the different blocks these spellings. Okay? All spellings in the blocks. Blocks are there. You have to just fill the spellings. Fill in all the blocks. Now, fill up the circles with the help of the pictures. Okay? Now, just see here. This book is kept near this sentence. Sentence ending, this is near and the bird is far. So, it will be this is a book. What will you fill here? Exercise C. T is there. THIS. B is there. What will you fill? BOOK. Point 1. Point 2. What will you fill there? That. 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 And that is a bird. B is there. IRD. That you will fill in that circle. Circles. Okay. Now, fill all in circle. Next, point 3. Point 3 what? This is a hat. You do it yourself. Alright? You have to make circle. Like this, circle. This is a hat. H-A-T. Hat. Point 4. That is a kite. Kite is far from, look at the picture. Kite. That, T-H-A-T. Kite, K-I-T-E. Number point 5. Mat is near to that, so this is a mat. Spelling of this, tell me you all. Speak with me. T-H-I-S. This is a mat. Spelling of mat you must know. M-A-T. Mat. Point 6 you see. What? That is a plane. T-H-A-T. Spelling of that? T-H-A-T. That is a plane. P is there. L-A-N-E. Got it? So this way your all spellings are filled. And I will give you in that exercise. You must try yourself also. Page number 64 open. You see that? Just trace it, the sentence. This is a parrot. First you write also in a good writing. This is a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Parrot is where? Near to. This is a parrot. Now, that is a rabbit. Rabbit is far. So, that is a rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T is what? Rabbit. So, that one is that rabbit. Rabbit is just sitting. Rabbit. Okay? That one is far, so that it's called that. It is near, parrot is near, that's why it's called. What we have used? This. This is a parrot, that is a rabbit. Okay? Now here dialogues are there. We have to just discuss and talk about. You must talk with your family members in English. Try talking to just try to English with your neighborhood also. If they are just near, not near very, just having that on that roof, from one roof to other roof, they can talk from their distance of 2 meters. Okay. Now this is who? John, and one is Paul. John is saying, what? Is this your shirt? Paul, no, this is not my shirt. John, is that your bag? Paul, no, that is not my bag. Okay, what's that there? John asked, this is your shirt, shirt is near. Paul said, no, the shirt is near, that is not my shirt. John said, that is your bag, bag is far. Paul said, no, that is not my bag. Okay. So this way you have to just speak. This is my pencil box, that is your bag, this is my dress, that is your mama, your sari, this is my wristwatch, daddy, that is your watch, right? This is my comb, that is your comb. Huh? That is, this is my towel, that is your towel, this is my umbrella, that one is your, this is my chocolate, this is my toffee, that one is yours, this is my water bottle, that one is yours. Like, so you can talk about the things and try to speak in English in sentences. These dialogues are just to speak. You have to do the practice of English speaking with your parents, with your grandparents, with your brothers, sisters, right? And with your neighborhood also. Okay. So with your friends on a phone calls also. I have done my work. I have got this new pencil, like that. My brother got that a new ball. You can speak like that. Try to, okay? Now, make flashcard this and that and play a game. Who can make this and that first by shuffling them? I just would like to tell you, you can just make some flashcards. Cards like you can take that waste paper and paste on any half of that piece of that cardboard. You just paste there, like on the hardboard. You make that many cards like T of card of H, card of I, card of S. So which spelling will complete this? फिर make card of T, card of H, card of A, card of T. It will be T, H, A, T, that. Make different cards and just shuffle and just you can just play with your any family member, any your friend, and what you have to do, just make spelling of this and that fast. Those who will come first, that one with the point. You and mama can give the toffee chocolate also. So this way you can learn. And again I am just revising. This is a flower and that is a pencil. Flower is near to me, pencil far to me. If we will just cross, so this is a pencil, pencil near to me, flower far from me. Okay, that is a flower. So we use this and that for one thing. This thing near to you, that thing from that far for you. Okay, so study well, enjoy the day. Thank you, class.